My latest Pause by Mind box has just arrived, and of course, as always, we have this little hint on the back. I'm not too sure about this one, maybe list or listen, but let's find out together. So first things first, let's see what we get inside. So our little card this month says, Happy New Year and welcome to January. It's almost the end of January as I'm getting this, but I suppose it still counts. And then it says making lists of things you like to learn, books you want to read, etc. So I was right, and it stands for list. Let's see what we get inside this themed box. I'm predicting it'll be some kind of notepad or something like that. And as always, it's packaged in this tissue paper very nicely, so it does feel just like a present. So inside we have this bookmark and this little card that says restore, and it says take time this month to focus on, reset and restore your balances. And we have this little notebook here. Okay, so it's a notebook and it seems like each page has a different list to make. So the first one is this week I've most enjoyed, and it's reflecting on sort of positive things throughout the week. There's quite a few of those. I wonder if there's one for each month, each week, but I don't think so. I think there's only a few, and then it changes. Favourite films, read these books and watch these films, so that seems to be a little bit of repetition there. Oh no, that was favourite films and then films I'd like to watch, so correction, not too repetitive. Again, thankful for my goals for next year, people I love the most, challenges to overcome, so they all seem quite sort of positive things that you're proud of. So it's mostly to reflect on things that you think you've done well and start the new year on a good foot. And that's it. So I think it might be quite a short video this time round. I think I will go through and fill some of these things out. And yeah, let me know what you think about this month. I do quite like the themed books and the January theme to get you in a good mindset for the coming year. It seems like some of these lists will actually be useful, so you can put your goals down and try to work towards them. But you can also look back and see what you've done well and what you're thankful for the past year. So I do think this is definitely on brand for the Mind charity to try and put you in a sort of healthy mental state and focus on the positives. However, there's not really much to do video-wise for this. I could go through and complete some of these lists, but I think these are quite personal, so I think I might keep them on my desk and try to fill out maybe one a day or something like that. But I've seen quite a few journals similar to this lately, so I think this is actually quite good value for money if you compare them to those sort of journals. And you have a bookmark to try and get through your favourite books as well. Overall, I'm actually quite pleased with this box, even if it seems like there's not much to it. Some of the other things have meant that I've had to go to the shops and get ingredients and stuff, and this one, all I really need is a pen and I guess a good old book. So thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm not too sure how many more boxes of these. I think this might be my 8th one or 7th one, and you only get a box for the first 12 months. And for those of you that don't know, you get this box when you donate £8 a month or more to the charity Mind, which is a great charity. It's a mental health charity, at least here in the UK. And basically this box is like a little freebie that you get for donating that much, so anything in here is a bonus, and even if you don't think it's worth £8, I think it's a great charity to support, and this is just meant to be a little benefit for supporting them. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to go ahead and support Mind, and maybe also let me know how you'd fill out some of these lists, or maybe different lists that you'd wish that they'd include. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and think on this and take some time to pause and really try and put myself in a good mental state for the coming year. So thanks again for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you haven't seen the other videos for these boxes, there is a playlist that I'll try and link here, and I hope to see you again next time. I usually add in how I would improve these boxes, and this one was pretty simple. If you provide a journal, why not also provide a pen?